My name is Alex Solarino, and I'm the founder and owner of IT Central Tech. At IT Central Tech, we care about businesses, and we offer services and products so that businesses can run safe. That means their network, their infrastructure, their computers, and their end-to-end processes that run on digital infrastructure are safe and sound. And this workshop is to bring awareness to the community. We care about cyber attacks. We care about keeping everyone safe. Families, business owners, anyone and everyone can be attacked. Therefore, our commitment to bring awareness, bring tools, and educate so that everyone can be safer and not fall into scams.
I think if everyone attended these, it would lower vulnerability to cyber attacks by a very high percentage.
It's important not to be your own IT, either at home or in the business or to our home. And so having a professional explain it to everybody today takes me away from being the bad guy that's always saying, don't share the passwords.
I learned that there's a lot of bad people out there that has all this equipment that can scam me and take my business over and shut everything down. And I learned not to put my UBS device that I found to check to see what's on it.
It was great to see some of the devices that Alex brought in and how they apply to real life situations. I mean, even from my personal perspective, there's a lot of things that I want to put in place, like an RFID blocking wallet. The cards Alex handed out were great. And just learning little steps like not connecting to public Wi-Fi, maybe using a hotspot, especially as a business owner or anyone in business with a business computer. There's so many levels of protection that you can take to prevent these attacks from happening.
The data blockers I actually already put in my Amazon shopping cart. And then the RFID blocking cards, I was already given a couple, but I'm going to be looking to get some more so that I can pass them around and raise awareness in my own social circles.
I learned that seeking professional guidance and support is very important, and everybody should protect their businesses. And we also have a responsibility to protect the patients who come into our office and making sure that we have high secured measures so that they don't have a problem while they're in our business.
Alex has a niche for the cybersecurity. In fact, I had one client that was I was attempting to assist, and she had already been compromised. And I told her, this is out of my league. You need a professional cyber expert. Alex is that niche. I took screenshots, which I'm going to feed into Claude and ChatGPT, and help me give like pro tips or even a consolidated version of this that I'm just using for myself and my clients to help them remain safe.
Don't check the UBS devices you find outside of your vehicles or in any area that you do not recognize that device.
I would give this experience a 10 out of 10.
Absolutely. I'll try to look out for the next one.
I learned a lot.
I'm going to tell everybody to come. Thank you.
Well, I want to thank everyone who has participated. This is exciting for us, and we bring this awareness regularly. So check out social media for our next event. We cover all Florida, and we are looking for you to come and attend our cybersecurity awareness program. It's free, and it's easy peasy for everyone to digest. So follow us on social, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and we are here to help you run your business in a safe way. Thank you.